Here, them call this fish tea. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's how we stay, man. This is Angel's Caribbean Cafe, 46th Street on Hollywood. And today, them customer appreciation day. Them bring in the yellow belly, you understand? For help out. Yeah? Because them know so we're good around here. So the first thing we do is put on a pot of fish tea. So the customer them come in and make sure so them get some of that. Watch it, watch it. Grouper head. Yeah, man. See there? Snapper head. Yes, man. Look at the tea look rich. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Yes, man. That's Angel's Caribbean Cafe, 46th Street, Hollywood, in South Florida. Yeah. Look for the thing. You know, see me at the promo, me at the promo. Watch it, man. Watch it, watch it, watch it. It's the soup. You understand what I say? Yes. So if you're not interested, make sure you are there. Yes. Watch it. Jerk chicken. I run later on for free. Yes. And you can buy your steamed fish and yeah, all of them other something there. I saw the thing set. So in the pot right now we have some festival to cook. Yes, Angel's Caribbean Cafe. May I tell you about it? You understand and see? Watch it. The soup that are the fish tea is very, 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 very good. May I tell you that straight? Yeah, you have the belly in a foreign from help out in Bridging over in restaurant. And you know, say if you have the skill and them know you have the skill, you have to come serve, you have to come help. Yeah. Now we make the people them know. You understand what I say? Yes, sir. The soup is good. I tell them me cook it. But if it never tastes good, I tell them say you. Me know. Yes. You have to tell them all that. See there? Now we start on a steamed fish. I may really cook it and a Henry. I may cook that one here. See it look good? Watch it. Cheese and peas. If you want steamed fish and them sitting there, don't to order because you can't. This is not fast food. This is slow food. Henry. You have to ask him by name. Tell him you are the belly. Send on in the Angel's Caribbean Cafe. That is 46 Avenue or Street? Avenue. 46 Avenue and Hollywood Boulevard, Beach Boulevard. See there? Angel's Caribbean Cafe. Jesus and peace. And you can get it with vegetable or you can get it with dumpling and banana or rice. It depends. Just you have to tell him what you want, you know. But that fish there, may I go borrow it, yeah? Henry, may I borrow that fish, yeah? Watch your man. Fish I need to borrow. And the first chef, Mrs. Spoil so. Alright. In other steamed fish, you know, we have carrot, celery, okra, onion. We don't use a lot of powdered seasoning. We only use black pepper and a little what? We use fresh garlic. And we use black pepper. And when you say use all-purpose? Complete, yes. The complete seasoning up on the... And see the seasoning rack up here, so. See the seasoning rack? No MSG. We use this. This Lawry's is a very powerful involvement seasoning. Supernatural seasoning, this. This is from heaven. And then we use this. Complete seasoning. And then we have garlic powder, right? But we don't use this. We use fresh garlic. Yeah. And see? Steamed fish. This is all ready to go. It's just I make the okra them just wilt a little bit more. Yeah, make it go in the front. I'll show you where in the tray on the front. Alright. So we have some jerk chicken in another pan there. Let me see why it's going on here. So. See? Jerk pork over there, so jerk pork that, yes. Jerk pork over the pan there. We have some curry in another pan here right here, so. Yeah. See, stew pork, that stew pork over there, so. We have curry goat in another pan right here, so. And let me see, yes, oxtail. Oxtail is very nice. Over there, so oxtail. And over here, so it's curry chicken. Yeah. Angel Caribbean Cafe. And let me carry around the front. I carry around the front now. You can get Jamaican patty. See, Jamaican patty, vegetable patty, hot patty, and cold patty. Where I see for cold patty? Oh, chicken. Yeah, I think that see means say cold. But no, a chicken patty. Then you have fried fish. Then you have chicken wings, fried chicken. Sometimes you have fried chicken, like big chicken. Then you have fried dumpling. Them fried dumpling, yeah. Them fried dumpling is very nice when you eat them with cheese. Yeah, so. And then he might keep the restaurant like Haberdashery because he have some weight loss thing. Me take that one here, folks. This is very good right here, so. For the men's, it is very good for the men. And you see, right now my belly almost reach here, so. See how my belly look thick? See that? Or muscle up, and some my belly almost reach. My so reach there, so. And this is good for the blood cleanses. It's very good. It help your skin for grow good. Them people have to go pay me. Nutri-Glow, them have to go pay me. Belly fat, see? This is for the ladies, belly fat. Blood cleanser, all of this. The blood cleanser for diabetic? Oh, the internal, yeah, for diabetics. If you have diabetes, check that. Then you have aloe vera, then you have soursop and them something. It's very good. Weight loss things. It ain't at Angel Caribbean Cafe. If you want crackers with your fish, them sell crackers, you can get it. And if you want that, I don't know what this in here so far. This not belong in here. This for throw away. This for throw away. Them here for throw away. I don't know where I save up them something because I know Haberdashery. It's a supermarket. It might be like, yeah, and see the roots. Jamaican roots. For if you want roots in your body. Tree root. Eh? No, don't waste of time. Over here, so you have spirulina juice. Yes, this is very good. Sorry for the glare in the camera. Spirulina juice is good from the green machine. The food, the fish are come, And them have, it make juice over here so you can buy cherry. What kind of juice this? Blueberry. This is a blueberry juice, berry juice. And then I can dash it. Alright. I just show on the ladies and gentlemen. Let me do a 100% round. This is the food at Angel's Caribbean Cafe. Lord, look the man. Folks, if you don't want it, it are there. It are there. If you don't want the steamed fish, it are there. Remember, Angel's Caribbean Cafe. Come check it out. See? Remember.